Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening Finder and locating the document you want to delete. This is where Mac OS manages files. Once Finder is open, navigate to Desktop, Documents, or the specific folder. You can use the sidebar for speed. If a file is hidden, press Command-Shift to reveal hidden items and make sure you have permission to modify the file. Select the item with a single click. You are now ready to move it toward deletion, so keep your focus on the chosen file and go on to the next step. Now you move the file to the trash. Drag and drop into the trash icon or press Command-Delete for a keyboard shortcut. Once items are in trash, they still occupy space, so make sure to empty the trash when you're ready. Choose Finder Menu Empty Trash or press Shift-Command-Delete and hold Option to bypass the confirmation. For sensitive documents, consider using a Secure Delete tool or enable File Vault to protect data before deletion, because emptying trash is the final step before the system reclaims disk space. To finish, empty the trash and verify disk space regained. Check Finder and storage in About This Mac. If trash refuses to empty, quit Finder and relaunch it or restart your Mac. This often clears file locks. If a file resists deletion because of permissions, select it, choose Get Info and adjust sharing and permissions, or use sudo rm in terminal only if you understand the risk. This permanently removes files. If problems persist, reboot into safe mode and try again, then seek help if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.